Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. Buying a new TV in 2018 is a difficult task because there are so many options available from various companies out there. 4K, Full HD, Android TV, Smart TV, etc. There are like a million options and it is very confusing. Now recently I got a chance to play around with the Sony X7500E 49-inch 4K HDR Smart TV. Well, yeah, that's a long name, but I decided to make this video like a review of this TV because it has a lot of features and I thought you guys might be interested in that. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. First up, let's talk about the specs that this television has to offer. So the Sony X7500E comes in two screen sizes, a smaller one that is a 43-inch and the one that you see here that is a 49-inch TV. The panel itself is a 4K panel, that means a resolution of 3840 by 2160. It also supports HDR, which makes the viewing experience really good. The operating system on this TV is Android 7.0 Nougat, which packs in a ton of features which we will get to in just a bit. So first up, let's talk about the input-output on this TV. There are a total of 4 HDMI ports and 3 USB ports on this television. You also get all your analog connections if you still use them. Also, you can connect an Ethernet-enabled device to the television. That means if you don't want to use Wi-Fi, you can use Ethernet for internet access. The port selection is more than decent on this TV. You also get Bluetooth 4.1 on this television if you want to connect your Bluetooth speakers or headphones, and you also get Wi-Fi for mirroring your smartphones and laptops. Hence, in terms of ports and connectivity, this television has it all. Now, one more great thing is that it comes with built-in Chromecast. That means you can connect other Chromecast enabled devices to this TV directly, which is a very big thumbs up from my side. Now in terms of the quality of the content that you will watch using these ports and connectivity, it is incredible. I have watched a lot of 4K TVs in the past before, but there's something about the Sony panels that makes me go wow. The resolution, colors, viewing angles, contrast ratio, everything is so good, which makes it a very immersive experience, and also the higher contrast ratio helps for deeper blacks on this TV. So overall, with all these factors, the viewing experience of this TV is just awesome. My camera won't do justice while showcasing the quality of this display, hence I would recommend that you should watch this TV in person in offline stores like Chroma, or if you have some other offline store in your city, you should go ahead and watch this TV. It looks incredible. Now what about streaming content online on this stunning display? Well, this TV comes with Android TV 7.0 Nougat and the software is awesome. It is smooth, it is fluid, and you get all your favorite apps all in one place. Amazon Prime, Netflix, Hotstar, YouTube, you name it and you have it. That's one area where this TV is really good. I am glad that Sony decided to go with Android and not make their own software, because Android TV is actually pretty good and smooth. Now if you have content locally on your laptop or smartphone, then you can mirror the content to your TV with the Screencast feature. Hence, no matter where your content is, you can watch it with ease on this beautiful display. Talking about the remote of this television, it is a very functional remote with dedicated buttons for Google Play, Netflix, and also a voice search button. Now this voice search button is linked directly to Google Assistant. That means you can search for your favorite content online, whether it is on YouTube, Netflix, Hotstar, wherever, from the Google Assistant. That means Google Assistant is baked right into this television, which is a very big thumbs up from my side because it makes it a lot easier to find your perfect content. One more place where this TV doesn't disappoint is in sound quality. Generally TVs don't come with good speakers, but this one does come with awesome speakers. So much so that you do not need to buy a separate soundbar, you can actually use the built-in speakers. Now let's go ahead and have a listen to the sample audio.
You're next to me, but
Hence, as you listened, even the speakers are pretty incredible on this TV. Therefore, to sum it all up, I will say that the TV is really good. The only downside is the price. The 49-inch model that you see in this video comes in for a price of Rs 90,000, like somewhere in that area. That is on the expensive side, but you get the full Sony experience. The price is more because of the brand name and the overall stability of the television. If you have the money, then you can definitely go ahead and buy this television. It won't disappoint you at all. I will drop a link to buy this TV in the description box below. You can go ahead and check it out. But on the other hand, if you don't want to spend this much on the television, then stay tuned to the channel cause I will be making another video on the Mi TV 4 which has almost the same features as this TV does, and it comes in for less than half the price. Hence, stay tuned to the channel for that video. So anyway, that's been it. I'm done. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, then make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel for awesome videos. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one.